Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting essentials in place and launching the app. Make sure your iPhone and Mac share the same Apple ID and are on the same Wi-Fi. Enable Bluetooth and handoff so the devices see each other. Once done, unlock the iPhone and open the Mac app you'll use, Notes, FaceTime, or a capture app. You're not setting preferences yet. You're forcing a live connection so the Mac can detect the iPhone camera immediately. Now you select the iPhone as the video source and configure settings. In the Mac app, choose the camera input labeled iPhone or Continuity Camera. This routes live video from the phone. Then pick lens options, 0.5 for wide shots, 1x for standard, or enable center stage to track you automatically. If the app supports desk view or document scanning, activate those tools to change perspective quickly. Make adjustments to finish, switch your Mac camera back to the built-in option, or simply lock the iPhone to disconnect. If something goes wrong, try the quickest fixes first. Move the phone closer, disable any VPN, and toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi off and on to reset the link. If lag or no camera appears, restart both devices and ensure iOS/Mac OS are up to date. Also verify camera permission for the app. Those steps resolve most issues and get Continuity Camera working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.